Come on, Jay, you can do it.
I can do it.
Come on, Jay.
Chuck, take it down.
Come on, Jay.
You might have to get a few people hanging on that thing.
I think we should.
How many people can we get on there?
Here, hang on
We
it.
can get some people on there. Tarzan, give me a boost.
Look at Jim. Gotta get a picture of Jim's face. He's like, what are these guys?
There we go, Batman.
All right, this is obvious.
Oh, I missed it.
Bet I can get swinging on that guy. You probably could.
Wish I knew how to do video.
I got it.
I got video.
I got video
Yeah, you
too.
got video.
Yeah, I do. Oh, this ought to be interesting. Oh, yeah.
I'll give you a push.
Next. Say, who's next? Derek?
It'll be my luck. I'd fall right up my ass doing that. Come on, Derek. Oh, that's breaking. That's going down.
Derek, take it easy, buddy. Take it easy. About right here, Chuck. You do a pull-up on that sucker right there?
What, this one?
Gotta go from this side though. Huh? You gotta go from this side. Right through here.
Wait, where is this? Wait. Here, you take this. It's still recording.
I can go off of this one. See if it breaks.
Hell no.
Hop on! Hop on! You ready? Go!
It took her.
You gotta face this way.
Shoot off your shoe.
How high are you making that thing?
Pick your feet up.
I know, hold on.
Ready?
Give her a boost, Chucky. Give her a boost.
Go on. Go on. Go!
Yeah!
I lost my foot in my chin. Yes.
Who's next? Another limb. I got another one.
That's what I said. You guys can hang on that one.
This ought to be interesting. Oh, God.
On the ground.
Dude, stand right there.
I know.
It's going.
Oh, Jesus, here we go. Oh, God.
Okay, let it go.
You gotta make jello shots more often.
I should have started around 11.
Look, Uncle Jim, we got more wood.
Grandma would be rotting in her grave right now.
Chucky, hang on that.
Anyways.
Hang on that one.
I say,
You got it. Hang
Grandma's
on.
like, I wanted the swing set destroyed, not the trees.
I've got a twist.
That means that.
There it is.
Almost.
The hatchet's downstairs, right?
Something.
Needs a twisted. Twist that jig.
Nah. Watch out, Chuck.
Something crazy's happening right here.
Whoops.
Whoops. Twist it a little bit. There you go. Need a few people.
'em. I say, boys, get in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115
guys would be good at tree removal.
What?
Pay by the hour.
Good money.
Get paid by the hour. Can I use the truck? I gotta pull a tree down.
You got the whole tree down with the truck. Whoa!
There you go.
Watch for splinters, Chuck.
Grab the tree. Keep on going with it.
Dale's just pushing it into it.
Yay!
All right, Jason, swing on it.
He'll do it too, that's the problem. Over there. Body slam.
That's the next slam. Here we go.
Pick it up now.
I know that green shed looks like it might need to come down.
I think that green shed I think this green shed needs to come down.
Shed needs to come down over here. It's on his last leg. Jason, take the end of that and just spear the thing right there. Just go straight through it.
Yeah, I think Marie doesn't want it no more though. Besides, it's an impression.
Coming down now. Pick it up there.
I'm trying to work my way out.
He does a rubber.
Oh, space.
Now you can swing out on it.
Hell
Swing out.
Hell yeah.
I want that one down too.
Oh, they said this one, right? Hold on. I'm here.
When I come.
I was gonna pull it. Yeah. Up? That's where we're going. There you go.
I'm hearing it. It's coming. Yeah!
Come on. Throw it over though. Okay, throw it over. I'll wait for it. Go ahead, throw it over. Let me know when you get here. Let me know. Let me know. I'll be waiting for you. Exactly.
There it is.
See you later.
Yeah!
That's it.
Next one.
That's 2-3-0.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you still got the original one.
Yeah, no.
Where do you want it?
In the next door neighbor's yard, apparently.
Over the fence. Over the fence.
That one? On the shed. On the shed. It's gotta go up anyways. Amy, this is yours.
We gotta get Amy involved here.
Amy, swing on this one. Come on. Get all that frustration out with all those DCF kids. Come on. Make it over the fence. I'll guarantee it. Come on. Right here. Swing
Any neighbors looking around right now? We'll call the police pretty soon.
That one looks breakable.
Yeah, it does.
We're getting rid of it.
There you go.
Wrong one, but we're getting rid of it.
Yeah, right.
Hold it.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. There it goes.
I held it. Go ahead, guys.
Go, DJ. You got it, you got it, you got it. You got this, you got it. Yeah, buddy, go. Come on, DJ. You got this. You got it. Almost there.
Come on, it's just a tree.
There's nothing holding it. What's it going?
The day the tree beat DJ. What the hell is he doing? Yeah! All right, I'm shutting this off now.